The following video will show you how to introduce gas standards to sorbent tubes using the Calibration Solution Loading Rig. You need a flow meter, gas standard cylinder. Here we've got a cylinder at a 1 parts per million concentration, fitted with a regulator. You'll need sorbent tubes and a gas-tight syringe. Choose the syringe that's most applicable to the volume you'd like to take from your cylinder. First, attach the flow meter to the non-sampling end of the sorbent tube, and then fit to the Calibration Solution Loading Rig. When you inject your standard through the port, it should flow in the sampling direction. On the back of the port, there is a 1/4 inch fitting that you can do up finger tight and secure using a spanner. Next, turn on your gases. Here we are using nitrogen. Check the flow through the sorbent tube with your flow meter. Typical nitrogen flow through the sorbent tube should be around 50 to 100 millilitres per minute. Once your flow is set, you can remove the flow meter. Open your cylinder and check there is pressure there. Take your gas-tight syringe. Push it through the septum, and if your pressure is high enough, you can see the syringe move and start to fill with gas. Here we are taking 0.5 millilitres. Once that's reached, turn off and tighten your cylinder. Remember to let the standard gas equilibrate to atmospheric pressure before injecting. You can then insert the syringe into the injection port of the CSLR. Once you feel resistance, that's where it's reaching the gauze inside the tube. Pull back slightly. Typically, leave that for a minute or two to flush through the sorbent bed so that the compounds of interest are retained by the sorbent. Once that's finished, you can turn off your gas flow and detach your sorbent tube. Cap the tube with diff lock caps if using an automated system and place it in your tray. If using a manual system, place the tube directly into the tube oven, or cap with brass caps for later analysis. For more information, visit marks.com.